Hi, I'm Ralston Hamilton.
And I'm Tony Lemma.
And we're Conicelli Nissan Service Advisors of the Year.
Spring is the perfect time to get your vehicle road trip ready, and Conicelli Nissan Service Center has you covered with fantastic May service specials.
Start with our oil change and tire rotation combo, just $74.95. It's an easy way to extend the life of your engine and keep your ride smooth and safe.
Rain in the forecast? Don't worry, we have you covered. We take 10% off of all wiper blade replacement this month. See clearer and drive safer.
And with summer heat on the way, don't wait for a breakdown. We're offering a no-charge air conditioning system check to keep you cool and comfortable.
Are you hearing a squeal when you stop? Get 25 off front or rear brake replacement because safety starts with stopping power.
And for peace of mind down the road, take $100 off Warranty Solutions contract. It's protection you can count on.
Schedule your service today at ConicelliService.com or give us a call at 888-289-5948. Conicelli Nissan Service Center.
A nice place to do business.